Hi everyone, welcome to Math with Miss Fudge. Think about your favorite video game. Maybe you scored 10 points while your friend scored 20 points. That's not just numbers, it's a ratio. For every 1 point you scored, your friend scored 2. Ratios are everywhere, from games to sports to recipes. Ratio is the comparison between two quantities. We have green and red pencils here. The question is, what is the ratio of green to red pencils? There are 3 ways we can write ratios: the word form, the colon form, and the fraction form. Here we have 2 green and 4 red. So in the word form, we write 2 green pencils and we use the word two, T-O-2, and 4 red pencils. In the colon form, it is 2, and then we put the colon and 4, 2 to 4. For the fraction, it's 2 out of 4. It means for every 2 green pencils, there are 4 red pencils. What is the ratio of blue to yellow paint? 2 containers of blue paint and 3 containers of yellow paint. When I mix these together, it gives me my favorite shade of green. So to write it in word form, it is 2, 2, 3. Colon form, 2 with the colon and 3. Fraction, it's 2 out of 3. Remember, I said when I mix these, I get my favorite shade of green. But I realized that I do not have enough paint to create my favorite shade of green. Can I add 2 containers of each color? For every 2 blue containers of blue paint, there are 3 containers of yellow paint. So if I add 2 blue, I should add 3 more yellow and not 2 yellow. So the ratio will be 4 blue to 6 yellow. We have what we call the part-to-part ratio. The part-to-part ratio is you comparing one part with another part. The manager of a bakery wants to maintain the same ratio of each type of muffin in large and small boxes. If the large box contains 9 chocolate muffins, how many blueberry muffins are in the large box? We have the table for the small box of muffins here. In the small box, we have 2 blueberry, 1 cinnamon, and 3 chocolate muffins. If we look at it, we have 2 blueberry muffins and 3 chocolate muffins. So the ratio in the small box of blueberry to chocolate muffin is 2 to 3. In the large box, we have 9 chocolate muffins. So it means we multiply the 3 chocolate muffins in the small box with 3 to get 9 chocolate muffins. Since we multiplied the 3 in the small box with 3, we need to do the same to the blueberry. So we multiply the blueberry by 3, which means there are 6 blueberry muffins in the large box. So for every 9 chocolate muffin in the large box, we have 6 blueberry muffins in the large box. We have the part to whole ratio. Here we compare the part to the whole or the part to the total. A florist is arranging flowers in vases, small and large sizes, to sell. She wants the large vase to have the same ratio of flowers as the small vase. If the large vase has a total of 36 flowers, how many are tulip? Here we can see the table that shows the number of flowers that we have in the small vase. The first thing we need to do is to find the total number of flowers in the small vase. 6 plus 2 plus 4 gives us 12. So it means that the total number of flowers in the large vase is gotten by multiplying the total number of flowers in the small vase by 3. 12 times 3 gives us 36. So in the small vase, for every 4 tulips, there are 12 total flowers. So because we multiply the total number of flowers in the small vase by 3 to get the total number of flowers in the large vase, we need to multiply the number of tulips in the small vase by 3 to get the number of tulips in the large vase. So it's 4 times 3. 4 times 3 gives us 12. So it means we have 12 tulips in the large vase. So for every 12 tulips, there are a total of 36 flowers in the large vase. So whether you're cooking, gaming, or keeping score, ratios are everywhere. Now it's your turn. Look around your room and find something you can compare in a ratio. Share it with a friend, share it with a classmate, share it with Miss Fudge in the comment section. Like this video, comment, share for others to learn, and hit that subscribe button. Remember to turn on your notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Until I come your way next time. Bye!